Greetings, YouTube! This is a Silver Top Flyer coming at you from Gainesville, Georgia. And I hope you're all well. This is a little review sent over to us by the company by the name of Tech Armor. TechArmor.com. They produce products for your iPhone, for your Android. What they make is they make these chargers. They make screen protectors. The screen protectors they make fit the, a lot of the iPhones and the iPads that you'll have out there. They also fit the Androids. They have a neat little piece of software there on their website where you can go on and put your device in to see what they make for you. For your ballistic armor glasses for your phone, I'd highly suggest you fellows go out there and check them out. I know each and every one of you's got either tablets or pads or what have you. Nevertheless, Tech Armor sent this over to me, asked me to do a little review for them. I told them I would, and that's what this is all about. This right here is going to be your wireless car charger. It hooks up to your car vent mount, and let's see what we have. So in the box, nicely packaged, you're going to have instruction manual telling you the do's and don'ts, what to do, what not to do, tell you all about your product. Full color. You're going to have your device. This is the QI charger, and like I said, it hooks up right onto your phone, right onto your car mount, your car vent mount. Slides right in there and hooks on it. Very adjustable. The plastic feels really good. I have yet to find anything I don't like about it. The only thing I'd be worried about is putting it up there and putting hot air out on my electronics. That'd be about the only thing I could find for it. But as the phone sits down in it, you can see it collapses the arms around it. That's just how it works. Just like so. You see? Seems like it fits good and snug and secure. Nice and secure. It fit just about any size phone. I had an iPhone, what was it, an i6s, i6, what have you, and it fit in there really well. I had to take the cover off of it. But if you got one of these guys screen protectors, you shouldn't really need a cover now, should you? You also have a little device that you put on the back end of it. It's an adapter, so you can put it on the back there, take it home, set it on your desk, on your dresser, what have you, and it'll stand up nicely for you. If you don't want to put it on your car vent, you can also take this off and put it on your dashboard. Just go ahead and stick it to your dashboard. As it sits up there on your car vent and your dashboard, whatever, it's got easy sideways movement, so you can turn it to see exactly what you want to do and how you want to do it. Turns real easy, manipulates real easy. Like I said, I do believe this is some really good plastic. It's not that cheap fall apart plastic like you see. And this almost looks like some aircraft aluminum. I don't know what that's made out of. And I can feel like a little gear or something in there, you know, as you pull down on it to grasp the phone, as the phone puts the weight down on it. And you'll notice it's got these little rubber mounts in there to protect the phone. The guys over there at Tech Armor, they tell me that you can go down the dirt road bouncing and busting around and your phone will never leave it. It holds it safely and securely. You also have, of course, a little USB charger you can plug right into the wall wart there. Pretty simple little device. You just take your phone, you set it in there, just like so. Pretty cool, huh? Now, it will not work if your phone's not QI enabled. So if you don't have one of them QI enabled phones, there are some coils inside here and in the back of your phone, and that's what allows you to go ahead and charge without plugging it into anything. Some of you may have found that charging port that you've been plugging into just doesn't work anymore. Some of them prongs in there, and this would be the perfect thing for it. You don't have to go buy another phone or spend $100 to have them fix that port. Go get you a QI charger and just set it down in there and let it charge. Now, it is called the wireless charger air vent car mount. It is a fast QI charger. It is compatible with the iPhone X, XS Max. It's also compatible with the iPhone 8 and iPhone 8 Plus. They tell me that you also have, for the Samsung side, it is compatible with the S9 and the S8. It's also compatible with the Note 8 and 9. Now they tell me for best results, you do want to have the fast car charger that's sold separately there at Tech Armor. They say it will work a lot better for you, a lot faster. They say that your wireless QI charger provides safe wireless charge for all QI enabled devices with various modes from standard 5 watts to 7.5 watts to 10 watts. And it securely installs in seconds. It does have a safe and secure hold on your device. The device is securely held by anti-scratch and anti-slip rubber material. It's a base padding is what they call it. Now, your iPhone and your Samsung cases, like your OtterBoxes and what have you, if they have metal or magnets, those should be removed to allow for the fastest charge possible, especially if they're over 5 millimeters thick. Now, a package is going to contain these 3 items here. Actually, 4 items. I forgot about the base on the back. There's 4 items. It's going to have the micro USB cable. It's going to have the Tech Armor wireless charger, optional base with 3M adhesive, and of course the USB charger. It does have the easy one-handed operation. I say it's very easy to move once it's installed there on the car vent. You know, so you can reach up and, you know, just turn it right or left, however you want to turn it, so you can get a better look at it, up or down. On the back here, I'll show you what we got. It's just like a ball joint on the back. It screws in and just pops right out. Feels very, very high quality. It doesn't have that cheap feel like, you know, some of us guys will get them drones and they'll have that cheap plastic feel to them. You crash it one time and it just busts all to pieces. This doesn't have that kind of feel. It's got a real solid feel to it. I don't know exactly how to tell you. And like I said, your phone just fits in like so and it holds it. Don't let it go anywhere. Now again, your Tech Armor, they also sell screen protectors for just about any and all makes of phones. They have several levels of screen protectors. Their highest end is called the Ballistic oleophobic glass. They also have for your iPhones, they have that curved glass that covers the edges. And you do need to follow those directions to the T. You don't want to have any bubbles or what have you on your screen. Now, if I'd have had a screen protector, I might not have that big old crack right in the middle of my phone. Can you see that? Maybe next time I'll listen and get me a screen protector, huh? They do have an install kit that comes with the screen protector. Tech Armor provided this for me, and I told them what I was going to do. I was not going to keep it. That I would go ahead and run a contest. We'd give it away to one of our subscribers. So I believe in about a week or 10 days, we'll go ahead and run that contest, and we'll see which one of you lucky subscribers goes ahead and wins. Now I'm going to leave some links right down in there, right in the description. And if you like the video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you don't like it, go ahead and give me a thumbs down. If you haven't already, go ahead and press that subscribe button. And like I said, be looking out for my contest. We're going to have a contest to give this thing away. We do appreciate it. May you all be blessed. This is the Silver Top Flyer, signing off.